Let's have a snack together. SpongeBob on in the background. I like to peel my apples because I'm a big old kid. I ain't gonna lie to you. Like, I do. I will take the extra time to peel an apple just to eat it. So, I know that's a little extra, but that's just me. Here's the fully peeled apple. Simple, but good. As a former fat girl myself, I used to not like this combination because I thought it was boring, but one of my favorite snacks. And I use the creamy peanut butter because I don't like the crunchy. This may seem boring to some people to just sit here and eat apples, especially with mukbangs being popular, people eating like cheeseburgers with like 4 patties on it, but I actually want to be able to fit into a dress this summer, okay? I'm not even trying to be mean. I'm not saying that big girls can't, but I was a big girl myself, and I remember how that felt, and I didn't enjoy it. Plus, you got big girls that look good big because of how they carry their weight. I was not one of them. Like, I definitely looked like an upside down pineapple cake.